Alright friends, now we are going to learn the indexOf method. What does it do? It helps us to find the position of a character inside a string. For example, let's say we want to find where the capital P appears in the string. So I come here, I delete char@, method, and then after dot notation I use indexOf, and then I give uppercase P. So this will return the index of P. As you see, we have more than one P. I have two uppercase P in my message. So which one will it return? Always the first occurrence is returned. So let's do it. If I run my program, you see 7 appears on the screen. Let's count it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's say we look for a character like capital H. As you see, there is no capital H in my string. So if I run it, you see -1 returns. So this is how Java tells us the character wasn't found in the string. So it's so important, so you can use it with if condition like. I can check if a letter is inside my string or not using message.indexOf after I use this letter. If equals to -1, it means it is not in my string. So you can use it in your exercises. So in this lesson, we learn how to use the indexOf method. Super.